Hi, I'm Haley, and I just wanted to let you know about your ELF stuff. I actually have a bunch of their stuff right now. I only have two of their things by them, but I have this palette one. This is one of my favorites. You can tell because like that gray is like out, but there's the black. Let's see. There's the black. Um, no, that one wasn't the black. Here's the black and the silver. There's the white. And then the gray. Those are all the colors that this one comes in. I really like that one. That's my favorite. I wear a lot of black and stuff like that. And it helps me to blend stuff. And also, I have one of their, the ELF liquid lipstick. And, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there we go. And, baby lips. Yeah, whatever, you can't see it. And baby lips. And, I have that on right now. You can't really see it, but it's a pretty cute color. I like it. I also have a couple of the other palettes, like this one. I like their products a lot. I know they're kind of like cheap and people are like, ew, $1 for this? No, but they're really nice. I look at the brushes and I think, oh, I was like, oh, I should have gotten those. But, I have a Clinique foundation brush. And Mary Kay, of these brushes. This brush and two eyeshadow brushes, a flat one. And a round one. And then I have this powder brush that's fluffy-ish. You can see that. And then this one that's flat. So, yeah. But I thought I would just respond to your response thing, and yeah, I thought I'd give you a thing back so you have some feedback of other people's. Okay, bye.